Okay, I have this quick one for you. This particular spiritual uses of bitter kola will shock you. Now, everybody knows that bitter kola has some health benefits. But now I want to talk about the spiritual benefits that you can use bitter kola just quickly and correct some errors in your life. Peradventure, you have been contaminated or polluted. Maybe they have cast a spell on you. Maybe somebody has placed a bewitchment, block your marriage, block your source of income. They throw an arrow into your life that is making things to work haphazardly for you. And you need a spiritual cleansing bath to wash away all those nonsense. The bitter kola is a good one to help you. Somebody might say, oh, are this thing real? Let me tell you, God has given nature power. And whether we like it or not, that is the way it is. They are real and they are very effective. Ordinary bitter kola like this scares away snakes. Peradventure, you have snakes invading your environment. Just get some bitter kola and drop them around your domain, and you will see snakes will no longer come around. Now look at that. Then talk more of each spiritual unseen benefits, power, and efficacy. What do? Get yourself about 4. I am holding 3 here. Get yourself about 4 what do they call it now? 4 bitter colas. Get a mortar and pestle for pounding. Now, the way you're going to use it, let me teach you this. Whenever you are using bitter kola for spiritual purpose, you don't have to remove this brown scale. Don't remove it. What do? Get the 4 seeds of bitter kola, put it inside your mortar, and use your pestle to pound it. Pound it together and pound it very well. Then when you have done that, what do you do next? You get yourself a bucket of water. Fill it with some quantity of water that will be okay for you to use to take your bait. Then what next do? Scoop the pounded bitter kola, put it into the bucket of water, say your prayers. Your intentions matters. God honors the words of your mouth. According to Numbers chapter 14 verse 28, the Bible says, as surely as I live, said the Lord, anything I hear you say to my ear, that is what I will do to you. God, as I use this water to bait, I clear off every spell, whether they did charm against you and that charm is affecting you. As you bait with that water, God, let this charm be destroyed. I am telling you, if you do it believing, it will happen exactly as you have said. Go and try it out and come back with testimonies. Don't forget to please like this page and share this video and follow also, so that whenever I upload more videos, you can get notified. God bless you as I await your testimony.